Listen, have you been looking for the perfect jewelry box? I'm talking about coordinate and go with everything in your closet and more. And I'm talking about super stylish and just like not your average or your basic dancing around ballerina musical type jewelry box. No, sweetheart. I'm talking about a luxurious, exclusive type of jewelry box. Yes, honey, if you would like to see or learn more about this jewelry box that I am bringing to you today, you already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that like button and don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're at it. Okay, welcome back. Before I get into showing you guys the jewelry box, let me show you my new shades. Might I add that this entire video is being sponsored by Fashion Beast. Fashion Beast offers all types of luxurious items. The list, of course, everything will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out. Fashion Beast reached out to your girl and they was like, hey, we got some really nice items that we would love for you to share with your viewers. And I'm like, of course, what do you got? You know, so they shared a little preview of some of the items that they had to offer, and I knew right off the bat that this was going to be something really, really nice to share with you guys. And I'm super excited to finally actually open the boxes. Okay, so listen, let me show you my first box. Yes, you see it, it's Chanel. Okay, can you guess what is inside of this Chanel box? Guess, take a wild guess. Tell me, what do you think it is? Go ahead, I'm gonna give you a minute. Let me show you. Okay, for those of you wondering, yes, here it is. It's a case, okay, a case. But what is inside of this case? By the way, there's some additional details in the box. Here I have this beautiful quilted pattern sunglass case. Yes, here I have my beautiful Chanel sunglasses, guys. Look at these babies, so freaking cute. And check out the details, why don't you? You have the logos on both sides, and of course you also have the additional details along the side. Yes, honey, these shades are giving everything. Okay, they're definitely giving hot girl summer. Okay, one cool thing that I wanted to share with you guys about this case, you can actually take this and double it up as a change or a coin purse. Let's just say you're out on a little date and you just need your little coin purse to go with you. Baby girl, this right here, this Chanel sunglass slash coin purse is it. You can put your phone in here, you can put some money in here, you can put your lip gloss in here. Look, okay, like that is a 2-for-1 and I am here for it. So tell me your thoughts. What do you think? I mean, like, is that like a deal or not? Like, to get shades and a coin purse in one, I wasn't expecting that. So thank you, Fashion Beast, for the additional gift. Now, of course, we need somewhere to put these shades at the end of the night, right? Or when we're not using it. Let me show you, boo. Okay, get into it. You see it. It is this beautiful matching quilted pattern designer jewelry box. Yes, honey, so freaking cute, right? Okay, let's get a 360 tour. Okay, you got to see everything about it. Here's the quilted pattern, and of course you see the Chanel on it. You see the CC's, baby. Check out the gold peg legs though. It's the gold peg legs for me, boo. And of course, you know it came packaged, okay? You have a little dust cloth to go with it, and it comes with this super cute little key. Of course, I had to show you exactly how to use this, right? And it is heavy, by the way, so I'm gonna put it down on the counter so you guys can get a better look and a better feel for exactly how beautiful this jewelry box actually is. And the gold polish throughout the entire box is everything, you guys. It is so freaking cute, and I absolutely adore this little key. So what you think about that? Tell me, that whole entire package is not like everything, right? I'm telling you, it is every freaking thing. Thank you again, Fashion Beast. They're very beautiful, high quality, and they definitely are giving what they are supposed to give. And of course, if you would like to own one of these beautiful boxes, then you already know what to do. Check out the description below. And thanks to Fashion Beast, you have a coupon available so that you can shop. I mean, the prices are already inexpensive. So not only that, with the coupon on top of it, basically, baby, you're spending a little bit of nothing. This would be a really cute gift idea for anybody with an upcoming birthday or an upcoming celebration of any sort. Really inexpensive and super, super luxurious, okay? Like, you gotta really see it in person to actually see what it is giving. I kid you not, it is the cutest. You can see how hype I am, especially over this little double standard here. This coin purse, girl, I am gonna be out, okay, with babe. We're gonna be like, okay, period. All right, let me take a picture, okay? Like, let me see. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you guys back soon. Bye, babe.